Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share and like. Today we have 2014 Chevy Impala, right? معانا Chevy Impala كم سنة؟ 2017. We try or we need to change the fuel pump control module, which is located here. If you want to change the fuel pump control module, you just have to take this pin here, you see this, and these two pieces from here, and then take it out like this, you see here, and you have أمسك لي هذا. Hold this for me please. Hold this, and then you gotta do this one here. Pull it up, you see this, pull it up like this. Ignition is off, right?
Yes.
Then push this one down, then do this, then take this one out. They have a code for fuel pump control module, and this module here controlling the fuel pump functions, and I believe they diagnose it and they recommend them to change the fuel pump. After you change it, after you put it in, the car will not start, so you have to buy a subscription and go online and buy the software. It was working good, but when we try to copy it, no, not register, login. Okay, so we're gonna buy the subscription.
No, but I believe you have some over at Vinlocks. I think you talked
No.
about it.
So one. After you buy it, you're gonna have one subscription, the new one that we're gonna put it in, and then we are going to get our laptop ready. Which one is that? We're gonna open this one and log into, make it ready.
Each laptop for a different purpose?
Yeah, all this laptop you see, is a different computer, different laptop, different functions, all for cars there.
Full time to
Okay.
Let's buy some for Nissan. Huh?
Yeah, bye. So now here, I gotta go here. AC Delco. Yeah, log in.
Whoa.
It doesn't work. Let me write it down there. acdelcotds.com. I'm gonna wait to load it.
This one?
Yeah, that's the old one, right?
The old one.
That's the old one. Okay. Yeah, put the new one. Log in. Okay, now I have one available. You pay for it already, Ahmed? No, I see it's active.
No, I'm talking about
Oh, the other key. And I'm gonna go view. And I'm gonna go here. And then new. Add the VIN. Now you're gonna launch it. When I launch it, I have to be sure that I have internet connection and everything ready. Stay with me. 2017 Impala. We already prepared now. I put my connector here, and this is Ford pass-through. So let me see if I can get it. Let me connect, launch connection. Okay, we are doing a programming here. Abu Bakr, Sheikh Abu Bakr, I have YouTube video recording. You better give me some time. No background talk. Please. People want to listen here. So I'm going to say connect to vehicle. You're going to ask me what you want to do. I'm going to put this one forward. No fault device detected. Change device. Let me try. I have to install the drivers for this software in order for me to use hotel or any product hotel pass-through. Install. Install. Okay, finally I was able to download MaxiFlash software J2534, and I was able to read the information of my car. And here I'm gonna go to SPS and I will communicate with the car now. Now here you see the Chevy Impala and the program. I will go to program here, replace on program, and then click on the green side here. Now what do you need? Chassis control module K38. Double click on the green chassis control module, then we keep going. Now proceed. Proceed and keep going. Now you see all the information here. Next, calibration, energize, programming. So now we're going to start programming. So I'm using Hotel 6 Plus, but I'm going to try to put VCI software also. VX Dike. Right now I'm downloading the software. You see that radio is shut off. Everything is on. Continue. Slowly. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share and like. Okay, it's done. The file is not big. Clear the DTC. I'm gonna clear the DTC. The file is like less than 1 minute. All this has been successfully cleared. Say OK. Proceed with the VIN if you want to program anything else. Like, let me see what I have on the body control module, for example, or chassis or engine. Is there any update for it? It will tell you if there is any update. Reading vehicle data, blinking, validating controller, getting command. Let me see if there is anything for fixing the car. I don't see anything, so just forget about it. We're good to go. Clear all the codes. That's your car. Chevy Impala. Connect this car to the server. I'm gonna turn it off, close it, clear all the data. I'm gonna turn the key off. Check it out. Stay a couple of seconds, start it. Perfect, beautiful. Now we're done. We change it, we fix it, we program it. We have nothing to do. The sensor is in the back trunk and everything is good. Please subscribe, share and like. If you have any question, feel free to ask. This is Muhammad Harun Idris, and also we have here Mr. What's your name?
Abu Bakr.
Abu Bakr, the owner of this car. What's the problem with the car, Abu Bakr? ما هي المشكلة?
The fuel pump was not, didn't drive, sometimes they drive like.
And you have a fuel pump code, yeah, okay.
Yes.
So we are good with this car now. It's so beautiful, nice. Okay, and hopefully everything is gonna be okay. Now the trunk is open, we're gonna close the trunk. And thank you for watching. This is Muhammad Harun Idris.